In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail offline without an internet connection. Whether you're on a plane, traveling in a remote location, or simply experiencing temporary internet issues, being able to access your emails offline can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in and set up Gmail so you can work offline. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your inbox. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to choose See All Settings to navigate to the full settings page. Once you're in the settings, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Our focus today is on the offline tab, so go ahead and click on it. This tab is crucial in enabling Gmail's offline functionality. You'll see an option labeled Enable Offline Mail. Ensure you check this box to activate offline access to your emails. With offline mail enabled, you'll have the chance to customize your settings. You can specify how many days of emails you want to sync for offline access. Depending on how long you might be offline, you can choose from several synchronization options. This means you'll have access to a specific range of email history during times you're without internet. Additionally, you'll come across options regarding attachments. Decide whether you'd like to download these for offline use. Consider your storage availability when making this decision, as attachments can take up significant space on your device. You'll also encounter a choice concerning the offline data once you log out. Pick whether you want Gmail to remove this data from your system, or choose to keep it based on your privacy preferences. Once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, it's time to save your choices. Find the Save Changes button at the bottom of the settings page and click on it to apply everything you've set up. After saving, Gmail will automatically begin loading your chosen offline data, preparing it for times when you are not connected to the internet. And there you have it. Now your Gmail is ready to be used offline, making it seamless to access and manage your emails on the go regardless of your internet connection. Keeping this setup can save you a lot of hassle and ensure you remain productive no matter where you are. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new offline Gmail capabilities.